Hi, so this is my Weebly page. This is the home page that you come up to when you first enter my website. This is the portfolio, a little bit about me, biography page, short little snippet, my name. These are the word assignments that we did in Module 2, I believe. Might take a second to load, but they're right here. Then we have the Excel assignments as well. There they are. And then PowerPoint. And then we can go to my web quest. So for my web quest, you just click this link and it's going to pull you to my web quest lesson. This is my welcome page. Got a little bit, it's going to give you information about verbs, so I decided I'd do that for the topic of my lesson. This is my introduction page, so we're going to be exploring the idea of a verb, how to use them, and what they are. This is an introductory lesson. So, as always, my tasks are going to be learning. The specifications of the learning is going to include identifying verbs, formulating sentences using verbs, and acting out verbs. So to start out this process, first you're going to watch the video about action verbs. It's about 3 minutes long, and it's kind of a brain refresher to kind of tie in what we've been talking about previously. So then they're going to think about as many verbs as they can, choose 10 verbs that they want to demonstrate, and then write a short paragraph using those verbs, and then there will be a group activity where they get to play charades. So for an evaluation, I'm just going to go through and read their short essay paragraphs that they wrote. Linked right here is a copy of the rubric that I would use, and then I'll go through and just kind of do this for my reference for later. This one's more for them. And then the conclusion right here. Verbs are fun and easy to use. And then this is my teacher page, where it's got my course standards and the standard code. So let's go back to my Weebly. So my other examples, the educational technologies is when we did our discussion board post. So I have 3 videos that I used, and then on this side is where my short essay description of Toodaloo was. Then after I finish this screencast, sorry about that, there will be a link right here that I will post finishing this off.